welcome back to the WWA 4. I'm Lorenzo Quintana, you're welcome. Being joined by the Duchess, AV, blah, 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 blah. But onward, we got some action here right now. Oh, I'm sorry, do you have something to say? Oh, moving on in there. We got ourselves some one-on-one action. We got Tommy Maserati and... here's CAZ, no class here in this crowd.
Oh, I think this crowd is just letting people know how they feel.
No class whatsoever.
Oh, don't take my statements and use it in this manner. Tommy Maserati versus the member of the Force, I suppose, like the
Rudy Lockmaster.
Oh,
okay?
Lockmaster. Okay.
Because he's the master of locks. As you're seeing right here, look at that technical ability. Tommy Maserati might have a little speed, but okay, no denying that. But when it comes to the technical prowess of Rudy, you can't top it.
I'll give him that, alright? I'm impressed by his technicalness, which I wish he used more, instead of trying to weird out his opponents.
Oh.
There's that speed for you.
Alright, like I said, speed, nothing else. Have you seen him? He's 100 pounds soaking wet. I mean, Rudy's got some meat on him. He's got some muscle. Maserati looks like a shaved bird.
Oh, that's very freaking tactful. How about you're not being classy right now?
Of course I am. Oh, it's just the truth. Sometimes the truth hurts, you know?
Anyhow, right here they're exchanging hugs. Rudy seems out there extra at this point.
Oh, look at the chicken wing on Tommy Maserati, taking him down.
Nope.
That's okay.
Not quite.
Ah, see, you can't get over Rudy. Come on now. Tommy Maserati. Oh, side headlock takeover. Getting taken to school here by Rudy.
Up once again. Tommy's back in control. I think he can handle this. He can handle this. We train him well here at WWA 4. He can handle this.
Of course we can. Tommy's the effing man.
Oh, we have Damian Parker joining us apparently with stolen gold. Is that yours? Okay.
I watched that and it was a great match. They won it fair and square.
They cheated.
Speaking of great matches, what do we have going on in front of us, Lorenzo?
Well, we have one of the greats here, Rudy Lockmaster, going up against
I think you mean
a shaved bird, like I said, Tommy Maserati.
Stop being rude. Stop being rude. Correct yourself. Say his name properly.
Listen to her.
Tommy Maserati.
Useless.
Or Thomas.
Useless.
Thomas, if you will.
Oh, really?
I'm classy now, Thomas, see? Oh, look at him getting stretched. Oh. Puts him right onto the side, but continues to stretch him out. That's why they call him the master of locks. He hangs on, he doesn't let go. Well, we're not done yet. You ready for a second one, AZ? Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Oh. Very unique way to get out of that maneuver. Oh, right there.
Oh, no. See, we're fine. It's good. All good.
It's the quickness, though. It's the quickness. That's all he has to do is be a little bit faster to Rudy.
Yeah. That's subjective. You hear that one? Okay, see, that's cheating.
That one.
That's cheating right there.
Right to the mush.
See, that was a closed fist right there.
Oh, now you can tell what close
See,
is.
look at that closed fist. Come on, ref, get in there. Man, I swear, we hired terrible referees. Come on, Rudy.
As well as commentators.
The world's against him and he's still fighting. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, that was...
All right.
I've seen better, but okay.
Really?
Very innovative.
I agree.
You know, DP, you cheat too, so...
Only on women.
Nobody loves DP. Oh, we got...
Beautiful.
Come on, Rudy, what are you doing?
No, he's getting kicked. That's what he's doing.
That's the cover. A little bit of a fast count, if you ask me, but
I think it was a very adequate count, all right?
now,
Tommy needs to put his weight on him a little bit more, and I think he can be able to take out Rudy wristlock.
yeah. Oh, come on. Who slaps?
It was a chop. It just was an overheaded chop.
Oh, he got caught. Oh! Tore that knee right out. His knee's about as tore up as it can get. And we're just getting started. Oh, Tommy knows all about this. I don't know if y'all remember, but Alan Angels made him tap out to this right here.
Listen, this is not about Alan Angels, so there's no need to bring him up. This is Tommy Maserati versus Rudy Rizla. Let's keep it about the match.
Oh, he's gonna tap again right now. I can see it in his eyes. I don't quite know if he's got the rope yet. See, Rudy let go. Everything's cool. Now those famous kicks.
Oh, it looks pretty weak from here.
Oh, you hear that?
The lies spewing from this underweight chump.
There are like 20 people who I think would disagree with him.
Absolutely.
Rudy's about as good as your jacket is cheap, and that is a lie.
My jacket is high quality fabric. Don't you dare!
Lorenzo, you are not going to sit up here and insult the Duchess, the former WWA for Intergender Champion. Get
This is my part. Go away. You see here, Rudy, back in control now.
Oh, really?
You see those vicious kicks. Oh! You don't need to count, ref.
This ref very casual with the rules. Does she even know the rules, Lorenzo?
You know the rules.
I do. I just choose to ignore them. Big difference.
I see it. Tell him, AZ. Come on.
Isn't that your responsibility? I think you're supposed to.
You just gave a whole speech about following the rules. Let's go.
Listen here, we're watching this match. This isn't about the new tag team champion, Damien Parker, right now.
Oh, God, sneezes all over the place. Rudy now.
Rudy's in control, I admit it. There you go, but he has a crowd behind Tommy Maserati. They will will him back.
Who cares about the crowd?
The crowd is everything. Have some fucking character.
Oh, you see him. Got those leg scissors in deep. Maserati. Look at that. Tell me that's not impressive.
I admit it, it's in the basic. I will give him that.
I don't think he's quite to the rope yet. I don't think he needed to break it. Rudy just taking his time now.
What he's doing is giving Tommy time to recover. You should stay on him. Oh no! Oh, Sherman suplex through the ropes.
Tell me that's not awesome.
Oh, you like everything that this boss does. Calm down.
Come on, Rudy. Come on, AZ, go. Let's go, Rudy. Come on, AZ, let's go, Rudy.
You are completely alone.
I don't think so.
Oh, to the floor. This could be a career ender.
Definitely would be a career ender.
Oh!
Wow. Absolutely amazing. DDT by Tommy Maserati. And the crowd seems to agree.
The crowd doesn't know what they want.
You want to keep talking about it with the crowd. Look at the crowd come up here and handle it.
Like they could.
Tommy Maserati's back to his feet fast.
See, close fist is right there. What'd I tell you?
That was an open hand. Very much so.
There it is. A nice elbow. Oh! Okay.
It's exchanging strikes right now. A euro from Tommy Maserati.
Oh, ducks underneath. See, slapping. Who slaps? Chops.
They're called overhand chops.
Those are slaps.
Overhand chops.
Oh. Rudy, come on. What are you doing? Stop playing. See? There, we're good. DP, calm down, man. It's okay. Oh! But look how he landed that. Look how he landed.
Look how he landed that, Lorenzo.
Dive.
Now that's what I call a dive through the bottom rope.
You want to continue to call the match DP? Go for it.
Well, we really don't need you. We can take over.
Yeah. If you want our viewership to go down.
Absolutely. Okay. You really have a...
Well, between DP being quiet and no one being able to understand what you say, I don't think anyone would be able to.
How dare you? You know what English is derived from? You guys took your language from us. We started it, alright?
You should learn how to speak it.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh.
This just kicked to the leg.
I'm not going to tolerate much more of this, Lorenzo Quintana. And this is what happens when you say die before you do something.
Rudy, what are you doing, man? Come
It's
on.
not clever. It's a bunch of...
Rudy's very clever.
Absolutely not. You guys have a combined IQ of 80.
See? Look at that. What about that ring awareness right there?
Come on.
Tommy's young.
Tommy knows better.
Great, fantastic ring awareness from Rudy. Fantastic. Hey, DP, you never would have thought of that.
Probably not. I don't really use my brain.
Doesn't matter. You sit down.
Oh, he got caught. Tommy, you suck. Boom! Boom goes the Dynamite AZ.
He's back up if you didn't notice.
Not this time. So pretty, did it again. Come on. This is fantastic.
Could you stop acting like a fan and hold us by the ball?
2, 3.
And he kicks out, so they couldn't be that impressive.
You want to get to 3, ref? 3.
I think she's counting very well.
I don't think she can count.
Consuela's doing a good job. Consuela Lopez?
Without explaining why she can't count.
Come on, Tommy. Oh, right on
Not
the
today,
bum.
he said.
Rudy did it on purpose. It's cool.
Right, he flipped himself onto his butt.
He's trying to give it a show here. God, come on.
Come on,
All right.
It don't work for that ref.
I think the referee.
counting.
Yeah, that was.
See, I told you.
Okay.
I told you.
That,
Oh no, but I was wrong.
Tommy had it in the back. That was all him. Oh, look at Rudy holding his face. Is something the matter?
Tommy smells. No.
Really? We're talking about hygiene, and I'm sitting right next to you.
I know you're welcome. Tommy going up high. The hell is that? Is that Alan Angels?
I did think that is Alan Angels. Oh! Gosh! He's distracting Tommy Maserati. Who gave him a microphone? Oh no, he's out here now. He's wanted out here.
There's Alan Angels right there.
Barefoot for some reason.
Oh yeah! Get it, Rudy! You see this?
Really?
This brutality! Tommy has it coming. Oh, he couldn't do it.
She should have checked on him better than I think Tommy would have been okay.
Maserati was done. He didn't have it in him.
Rudy, the master.
That was amazing. Tommy couldn't hang. Come on, Daisy. Congratulations to
It wasn't for
Rudy.
the distraction from Alan Angels. Tommy Maserati probably had this match in the bag.